Now that you have your Cruizer II, you will want to set it up or double check your settings so that you can actually do some work. Sorry about that work thing, but hey, what else are you going to do during the day or night? Okay, we can start by pressing the Tools button. The first thing you want to do is verify your GPS offset measurements. Go ahead and press the Offset button. You want to make sure your Cruizer II knows where your GPS antenna is located with respect to your implement. If you need to change one of these settings, just press on the measurement you want to change. Make your changes and press OK. If your implement is in front of your GPS antenna or off to the right, just press on the box to make the change. Next, you want to enter or verify your guidance width, so press that button. Your guidance width is really what overlap you want from pass to pass. If you want the overlap, then put your guidance width narrower than your actual implement width. Your Cruizer II will not actually adjust the arrows, but this is what you're essentially doing. It is now time to set how you want to turn on or off your painting, so press the Switch button. With one of the many Cruizer II expander cables, you can tell your Cruizer II to start or stop painting whenever you turn on or off your master switch or any other switch. You just need to choose the hardware option. You do need to have the actual switch connected to the expander cable for this option to work. Without one of the expander cables, you will need to turn on or off your painting by touching the screen. While on the job screen, you can press the vehicle arrow or the history icon to turn on or off your painting. Just remember to select or verify your choice so that it works the way you want it to. Setting up your display can be optional, but let's take a quick look at this setting. From this screen, you can set the brightness of your Cruizer II LEDs and the screen. You can also set when your light bar LEDs turn on. You have 3 settings. Right now they're on medium, but you can always choose a finer setting, or you could choose a coarser setting. Your choice. Let us take a look at your differential settings for your GPS. If you are using WAS, just make sure that the glide option under the PRN box is checked. You may also want to take your Cruizer II out of auto and lock in one of those differential satellites. Only change this setting if someone has advised you to do this. Otherwise, just keep it where it's at. One final check is to set or verify your output settings. Let us press the Output button. This screen shows GPS information. Turn all the settings off unless you're using your Cruizer II with some other non-Raven controller that's in your cab. Just put the slider bars all the way to the left to make sure they're off. You will also have to do this for port B. Wow, that was quick and easy. Now, your home screen may look a little different from this one, but your final check will always be to see the green satellite shield. If it's yellow, or worse yet red, you will have to do some troubleshooting to fix the problem before you can do any of your work. If the shield is green, well, time to get to work. Go out and have some fun. Please check out the other videos on ravenhelp.com.
Woo!